Good morning everyone, this is Urvashi Kalra. Today I am going to discuss a topic of class 5th Sainik. Name of the topic is Introduction to HCF. Today we will do some questions based on HCF, that how will we find HCF. Look here everyone, HCF is also known as GCD. HCF stands for highest common factor and GCD stands for greatest common divisor. HCF is also known as GCD. GCD is another name for HCF, highest common factor. So now look here everyone. Supposedly if I take an example of finding HCF of 15 and 30. So as you can see that we have to find the highest common factor. Means firstly we have to take the factors of these numbers. सबसे पहले हमें इन्हें factor लेने होंगे. So firstly I am taking the factor of 15. Now 15, how will you write the factor? 15 can be written as 1 into 15. In the table of 1, 15 comes on 15. Now in the table of 2, 15 will not come. Now in the table of 3, 15 will come. 3, 5 are 15. After that come on 4. In the table of 4, 15 will not come. Now come in the table of 5. In the table of 5, we are having 5 into 3. We are having 5 into 3 means repetition occur. If I write 5 into 3 here, अगर हम यहाँ पर क्या लिखते हैं 5 into 3 and I already write 3 into 5. When repetition occur of the factors in opposite term, then their factor got completed, then no need to write the other factor. जब repetition start हो जाएगी ना इन factors की, means हमारे factors complete हो गए हैं, then no need to write the other factors of these one. Now I have to write the factors of 30. So factor of 30 will be 1 into 30. After that come on the table of 2. 2 into 15. Now come on the table of 3. In the table of 3, 15 will all 30 will also come. So 3 into 10. After that come on the table of 4. 30 will not come. Come on the table of 5. 5 into 6, we will get 30. After that in the table of 7 it will not come. In the table of 8, 30 will not come. In the table of 9, in the table of 10 it will come. 10 की table में आएगा. What will we get? It comes on 3 means 10 into 3. Now as you can see that repetition start again. है ना? 3 into 10, 10 into 3 are same. Means no need to write it and our factor got completed. हमारे factors क्या हो गए? Complete हो गए. So we take the factors. अब हमें क्या लेना है इनमें? Common factor. सबसे पहले हमने factor लिया. Now we have to take the common factor among these one. Now we have to take the common factor of 15 and 30. Now write the common factors of 15 and 30. As you can see that 1 comes in both. है So its common factor is 1. After that you can see that 3 also comes in both tables. 3 is here, 3 is here. 3 is also the factor. After that you can see that 5 is also a factor. 5 is also a factor and the last one is 15 is also a factor. 15 is also a factor. Now our factor got completed. We write all the common factors. हमने सारे common factors लिख लिए हैं. Now common factors are done. Now we have to take the highest common factor. Now among the common factors, ये जो भी common factors आए हैं, from these one you have to take the highest common factor. So from these factor you can see that highest common factor is 15. 15 है सबसे बड़ा. So highest common factor is 15. Means our answer is also 15. Means HCF of 15 and 30 is 15. Now we will do the HCF of the same number by some more method. So for doing it by some more method, what we have to do, we will discuss it by prime factorization method. Now we discuss the HCF by prime factorization method. I am taking the same example 15 and 30. So for this we have to do the factors, prime factors of 15 as well as of 30. Okay, as the name suggests, prime factors means we have to take prime number only. It goes on 3. What will we get? We will get 5 here. Now what will we get? We will get 1 here. Now as you can see that the last digit is 0. Whenever the last digit is 0, the number is divisible by 2 or by 10 or by 5. Means if a number is having last digit 0 or even number, it is divisible by 2. So we will divide it by 2. What will we get? We will get 15. How we will get 15? As you can see that here you are having 3. आपके पास क्या है यहाँ पर 3. So 3 will not come in the table of 2. So from 3 we can take 2. 2 ones are 2. That's why I write 1 here. 2 ones are 2. So from 3 we use only 2. 3 में से हमने सिर्फ 2 ही यूज किया है. What is left with us? 1 is left with us. Then you have to think that you write 1 here before the next number. Next number के आगे आपने क्या लिख दिया? 1. You have to think only. No need to write it. Then 2 5s are 10. 10 will come on 5 in the table of 2. Okay. Now again we are having 15. It goes on 3. 3 5s are 15. Now it goes on 5. 5 ones are 5. Now you can write 15 as like this. 3 into 5 into 1. 15 को हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. After that you can write 30 as like this. 2 into 3 into 5. So for finding the HCF, what you have to do? Into 1 also if you want to write. If you don't write 1 na, then it's also okay. Okay, अगर आप 1 नहीं लिखते हो then it's also okay. No issue for this. Now for finding the HCF, you have to take only the common factor. You have to take only common factor. As 3 comes in both, we write 3 here. Multiply as 5 also come in both. 5 भी दोनों में आया है. That's why I write 5 here. Now 2 not come in both one na. That's why we are not taking 2. If you want to write multiply 1 also, then our answer remains same, because if we multiply any number by 1, answer remains same. So if you want to write multiply 1 here, you can write it, otherwise you can skip it also. So 3 into 5 is 15. Means HCF of 15 and 30 is 15. Now we will discuss our next method for finding the HCF, common division method. Now we will discuss the HCF by common division method. So in this method I am taking the same number 15 and 30. As the name suggests, we have to solve them commonly. हमें इन्हें commonly solve करना है. So I am commonly taking their factors. I write 15 and 30 as like this. If we are having more than 2 numbers, then I put a dash and then I will write the third number. फिर हम third number भी लिख देंगे वहाँ पर. Look here after that. Now for finding the HCF, what you have to do? You have to take a number which divide both of these numbers, means 15 as well as 30. You only have to take that number which divide both of these number. Remember this. Okay, आपको वो number लेना है जो number इन दोनों को divide कर दे. So if I take 2 here, 2 divide 30 but 2 not divides 15. That's why we will not take 2. यहाँ पर हम 2 नहीं लेंगे. If I take 3 here, 3 divides 15 as well as 30. 3 15 को भी divide करेगा and 30 को भी. After that again you have to take that number which divide both of these, 5 and 10. So if I take 2 here, it divides 10 but it not divides 5. That's why we will not take 2. इसलिए हम यहाँ पर 2 नहीं लेंगे. If I take 5 here, so 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now again you have to take a number which divides both of these. Okay, so 1 and 2, they come in different table na. They will not come in the same table. They are not factor of a same number. So our division gets stopped here. अब हम इसके बाद आगे division नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि हम इन दोनों को एक same number से cancel नहीं कर सकते. So our HCF क्या होगा? जो भी इनके common division आ रहे हैं, commonly किया ना हमने इसको. So 3 into 5. Our HCF is 15. Most of the students are getting confused in finding the HCF and LCM by common division method. Let us find the LCM as well. Let us find the LCM as well. If I take 15 and 30. Now in LCM you can take any of the number whether it is divisible by both or by one. आप जो भी नंबर लेंगे वो अगर दोनों से डिवाइड हो रहा है तब भी हम वो नंबर लेंगे, और वो नंबर अगर एक को डिवाइड कर रहा है तब भी हमें वो नंबर लेना होगा. मीन्स वी हैव टू टेक बोथ, वी हैव टू टेक दैट नंबर विच डिवाइड ईदर वन और बोथ. कि वो एक को डिवाइड करे या दोनों को, वी हैव टू टेक दैट नंबर. So firstly I am taking the smaller number, that is 2. Now 2 will not divide 15, 15 remains as it is, and 30 it also again divide it on 15, है ना. Now we can take 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. Now we can take a 5. Okay, now our LCM is 2 into 3 into 5. Our LCM is 2 into 3 into 5. Now we have to multiply these numbers. What will we get? We will get 30 here. So this is the difference between LCM and HCF by common division method. That in LCM you have to divide it till you are not getting 1. आपको इसको divide करना है जब तक आपको यहाँ last में 1 and 1 नहीं मिल रहा है. But in HCF you have to divide it till it is divisible by both the number. कि जब तक वो दोनों numbers को divide कर सकता है कोई number, तब तक ही हम इसमें यहाँ पर करेंगे और आगे नहीं करेंगे. And we have to multiply only these two number. No need to multiply this one. Okay, and in this case we will multiply it till we are not getting 1 and 1 here. I hope the difference between LCM and HCF by common division method, that how to find the LCM and HCF by common division method, is clear to you. If still you are facing any problem, you can tell me. I will make a video on that one.